Hey everyone, welcome to this unboxing. I'm voiceovering this a little bit in the future, so I've already had a couple of weeks to use these, so I can report a little bit while we unbox as to how they are. So these are Generation 2 AirPods. The reason I went with these because I wasn't sure how much I would use them, and I wasn't sure whether I would like the very new ones which go in the ear with the silicone, and also the Generation 3, I think, have the sound reduction thing in them. So I just wanted to try them out, and these were on sale, so I decided to go with the Generation 2, and I've been pretty happy. They're really similar to the ones with the cord in terms of shape and the way they fit in your ear. I can run with them without falling out, and I can exercise without falling out. I can also lay down with them in my ear, like on my side, and they don't fall out. So that's been good. The sound out of them is pretty good. To me, it's very similar to the ones that are, with the cord, which is the ones I'm coming off. So that's the sort of the summary of the review. And if you just watching the screen there at the same time, I'm just showing you the different little pamphlets that come with it. And here's the actual AirPods. So they come in a little case, and that is their charging case. So when you plug it in, it charges the case as well as the AirPods inside them, from what I understand. So when you take it off the charger, you can take that case with you, and they kind of recharge in there. I don't know the timings. I'll see if I can put them on the screen. But yeah, I haven't used them that much, so I don't know how long they last, to the lowest of the battery, but they've been really good just to take, on a bus trip or something like this. And they're really convenient. I've also been taking, I don't know, you're probably not supposed to, but I just take like one AirPod sometimes with me if I'm doing a quick trip, just so I can put it in one ear and then put it into my pocket without the case. And that's been working well as well. And here's the charging cord. So because they are an older version and the AirPod, they come with the USB-A. So if you are on the USB-C, you will need a little converter, which I can link in the bottom of the video in case you're not sure what I mean by that converter. And yeah, that's the little case, and they just sort of magnetically fit in there. And that brings us to the end of the video. If you want to hear more about them, I can make another video. I just thought I'd make a brief unboxing. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Bye!